Today's tutorial is a romantic style nail art for dating or other special occasions. Let's get started. We've got up to 45 color gels in this kit. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. After simple nail prep, we will start with clean and dry nails. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We use this gel as the base color. Now, apply the base color evenly. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Now take out the nail art stickers and the tweezer from the kit. Pick up with a tweezer and paste on nails on thumb. Be careful not to leave any gap between nails and stickers. Paste the same stickers on middle finger as well. Pick up with a tweezer and paste on nails on index finger and little finger. Paste the heart pattern sticker on ring finger. Take out the nail charms from the kit. Apply foundation-based gel. Use the tweezer to pick up the nail charms and paste on nails. Then cure for 30 seconds. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.